Hey guys, Trevor Mon here. Just got my load of Bronco parts in. Building a 74 Bronco for my wife. So we got left fender, right fender, and they're the OEM ones from Tom's Bronco Parts. We got the tailgate, and then over here we have rear quarters, inner and outer rear quarters in that box, and then actually just in this one it's just the inners, and then this one's the outers. So we have both inner and outer, and I'll just show you the other stuff that I got. I've got it outside here, so it's gonna go here. Okay, so I've unpacked it. I've got the okay, so there's both rear corner panels right there for the rear quarters where the taillights go. And then the good stuff, we got transmission mount there, we got windshield wipers with the arms, and then we have a body mount kit, the Bronco steering wheel cover, and then all the lights and bezels, and then Bronco emblems, battery hold down, body mounts, tail lights, lenses, tail light, bezels, door handles, LED lights, mirrors, and then the headlight bezels, and then for the rebuilt 289 we got these valve covers, and then we got both panels for the door for the door mounts, and then power antenna, and yeah, whoops. But that's it there for now for guys, and I got more stuff coming, but I'll show you the Bronco on the next one. The Bronco we're building, it's a 74 Bronco Ranger. These are all the parts that we're going to be putting on it.